All right, I'm so excited to introduce you to our CO2 laser. The CO2 laser works by creating controlled microinjuries in the skin, which triggers your body's natural healing response and boosts collagen production. What does that mean for your skin? It means improved texture, smoother, fine lines and wrinkles, reduced sun damage, smaller looking pores, and overall firmer skin. It's especially effective for areas like the face, neck, chest, and hands, where aging, signs, and loss of elasticity become more visible over time. But it's also very helpful with scars, for example. The CO2 laser doesn't just treat the surface. It works deeper to rebuild skin structure from within. With the right protocol and professional guidance, it can deliver long-lasting, transformative results. If your goal is healthier, more even, and rejuvenated skin, the CO2 laser is a powerful option to consider. We are talking about the Morpheus8 today, which is a great treatment for skin tightening or to melt a little bit of the subdermal fat, which is that little thin layer underneath the skin, sort of like that insulation. So we'll set our settings to target different areas. So if we're doing superficial treatments like pores, textures, fine lines, we're going to be really shallow with our needle depth, and we don't need to be as high in our radio frequency. When we're going to skin tightening, we want to be really deep underneath that skin layer, and we want to be really high with our radio frequency so that heat can shrink up the skin. And when we're melting the subdermal fat, we want to be deep again and high in the settings of the radio frequency so we can melt the subdermal fat. Where we don't want to melt fat, which is around the cheek area, we don't want to melt fat there, so we are going to be the superficial settings so that we are not melting the fat here. At the underneath the eyes, we're going to be more of a mid-level because we do have a little bit of skin usually that we want to tighten up, but we don't want to melt a whole lot of fat in this area as well. So we set our settings according to what we are treating, either superficial, skin tightening, or fat reduction. All right, so we're gonna do the IPL today. This is an intense pulse light, not a laser, but an LED. It is going to target reds and browns, any kind of discoloration. The light will see it, vaporize it. That will bring it to the surface, and then it just washes off. The main thing for her is she's gonna need to use sunscreen, and she does not want to exfoliate any of that discoloration that comes forward. Just gonna place some drops on the skin. And we want to use about 3 pounds of pressure to massage this into the skin. Very simple treatment. Today we are doing with this lovely patient, we're going to be doing the Perfect Derma Peel. It's a moderate depth peel. It's great for tone, clarity, acne scarring, hyperpigmentation, melasma, fine lines, wrinkles, pores, texture, just overall brightening and a beautiful treatment.
Why did you choose this specific procedure?
I chose it because it's for all